Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Investopedia. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you all know that investing into stock markets or crypto can be something really hard because we are actually going to be dealing with actual money. But with Investopedia Simulator here is you could just basically have a simulation on how to start investing. So in this case, the first thing that we want to do here is we first have to open up the website here, which is going to be investopedia.com/simulator, since we want to access the simulator itself. Now, in this case, in the for section, you'll see the account value, which represents the virtual cash you currently have available, and this amount will fluctuate as you buy and sell crypto and stocks. Now, you also find information about today's change, annual rate, buying power, and cash. Now, moving on the trade tab here, this is where you can buy or trade stocks and crypto. So simply enter the company name and specify your action, buying or selling, and indicate the quantity and choose the type, market or crypto, and duration of your trade. Now next is we also have the research tab here. Now you can delve into company analyses such as their market share, crypto share rates, and this section provides valuable insights into various companies and their stocks. Now in the learn section here, you'll find resources to expand your knowledge about stocks, investing versus trading, so managing a portfolio and more. It's a great place to brush up on your understanding of the stock market, which is something really important if you really want to succeed. Now if you're up for interactive fun games, so you could head over to the game section here. Here you can play games with others, like trade for money, create your own game, or join system ones, and you can also track your progress on the leaderboard and complete for the top by trading stocks or crypto. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.